How are we doing, ladies and gents, boys and girls? Welcome back to another fun episode. And today I'm going to be teaching you a move with 3 bottles that looks like this. Dyer! Yes, sorry I'm wearing sunglasses, but the sun is in my eyes and I can't do the move without it. I'll take it off for now while I'm talking to you. So this move is a 3-bottle move and it's very, very tough. It's known as a flash move. But before we go any further, if you are new to the channel, just go down there and hit subscribe and like the video if you like this video. Once you've watched it all the way until the end, if you like it, hit that like button and that shows me that you like it and I'll make more videos just like this. All right, so without further ado, let's get straight to the move. I'll show you it one more time. Okay, so this consists of a multitude of moves within one move. The first one I want to show you is with the left hand. So you're going to start with the bottle in your left hand in a beer grip like this. And all you're going to learn is to throw that up from behind your back to in front of you with one spin. That's all it's doing. You're doing this, throwing and catching. So you're doing this motion. So now, once you've got that with the left hand, okay, then you need to pick up one more bottle and you're going to hold that bottle in the same grab. So 2 beer grabs, 2 bottles, and you're going to do the same move again with the left hand, but just holding the other bottle in your hand. With your right hand, hold the bottle in a beer grab like this, and then you're going to flick the bottle to the right side of your body, and you're going to grab it in essentially as if you're going to pour with the bottle. So you're going to grab it in what we call tennis grab. So throw and catch. And then once you get good at single spin, then go for a double spin. Single, double, single, double. Now, once you've got that, then you want to transfer that bottle into this hand and forget about your left hand. And you need to perfect the multiplex with that same move, because what you can throw with 1 bottle, you can throw with 2 bottles in a multiplex. So I'll show you what I mean. If you're throwing 1 bottle in this way, if you put 2 bottles in your hand, you can throw 2 bottles. If you're throwing 1 bottle this way, if you put 2 bottles in your hand, you can throw it like this. So it's the same with this move we did with 1 bottle to here. You put 2 bottles in your hand and you throw across your body like this. So to perform the multiplex, you need to have 1 bottle is going to do 1 spin and the other bottle is going to do 2 spins. So in this instance, the simplest form of a multiplex, this bottle, which is higher up in the grab, that's the first bottle I grab hold of. The second bottle is down here. This is going to do 1 spin, this is going to do 2 spins. So it's the same principle when you're throwing it across for this move, but we're going to hold the bottle differently. So you're going to grab the first bottle by the shoulder, and then the second bottle, you're going to grab it further down by these 3 remaining fingers here. And then you want that bottle closest to you and that one further away, and you're going to spin it like this. So you're going to throw them at the same time, like that, not this bottle first and that one second, or this one first and that one second, but at the same time, so that you can grab this one first and that one second. So focus on this one first. And that's that 1 spin that we learned at the beginning of the video. Now you want to try and catch the second bottle, but with your left hand. Okay, so you can start to understand where that bottle is going. What you want to try and get good at is throwing the objects or the bottles this way. Don't throw it up, throw it across to your right side, because if you throw it to your right side, it's going to be easier to grab it once it's over here instead of up here. So you want to try and grab these in tennis grab. So as you throw them across, you're going to come across. This one is single spin, this one comes to double spin, and you grab it like this. But once you've grabbed hold of it, you can bring the bottles down the right way up so they're not going to spill. Then you can start putting everything together. Left hand, 1 spin, right hand, multiplex. All in beer grab. Left hand like this, right hand, grab one here, secondary one there, and you're going to throw this one over your arm, and this one across. And then when you get more confident, you can throw all of them together. If you want that bottle in your left hand, you can transfer to tennis grab to start with. You might find it easier, okay? And you're throwing from tennis grab up to beer grab, and the right hand stays exactly the same. That's it. Simple as that, easy peasy. I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button, hit subscribe, let me know what you think, ask any questions if you're struggling down in the comments box below. And until next time, see you then.